guys, so I just wanted to come at you guys with a tutorial using the Briogeo Rice Water line. So I have used Briogeo products for a while on my locks, and I honestly like their products. A lot of their products are like 98% plant-based, so they're not completely natural, but they are still very much so natural, so I still use them. But anyways, this is what my hair looks like. This will be my first time ever using a rice water system, but I really wanted to because I suffered major damage from this last bleach. If you guys didn't know, I chopped my locks into a bob last year around February, so that's why some of the locks don't really have as much blonde left. So anyways, I'll get right into the tutorial. So typically for my wash days, I like to just really focus on my scalp and give my locks some love under the water. And then I'm going to be starting with their concentrated shampoo, and this shampoo was very different. It said to use this amount, as you can see, and that was definitely different for me because I use a lot of shampoo. It also reminded me of like Elmer's glue, as you can see, but you were pretty much supposed to mix it with water, and that allows it to like lather more. I think I needed to mix it with more water because I actually feel I was only able to like get my scalp and new growth sudsy, but as far as like the shaft of my locks, I feel like I wasn't able to actually get the shampoo on them. So I did go ahead and use some more, and I did definitely see once I used water, it definitely made it lather a lot more. I find that when I squeeze the products within my locks, it ensures that I actually get the products in my hair. So that's what I typically do with whatever products it is that I'm using. But as you guys can see, it really did lather up like a lot once water touched it. So definitely don't be like me, use water like the directions say. But anyways, I gave my hair a good 2 washes just because my hair was very dirty. Like I want to say I went maybe like 3 weeks without washing it. As far as rinsing out the shampoo, I didn't have any like, immediate reactions. It wasn't like my hair was super soft or the smell of the shampoo was a lot. It was just literally just like washing my hair with any regular shampoo. My hair did feel like it wasn't clean after one wash. That's why I did follow up after another, but again, my hair was dirty. But the shampoo didn't make my hair feel any different than any other shampoo that I've been using thus far. Minus there's a Camille Rose shampoo that I use. I feel like that makes my hair feel very soft despite the fact that it's also a shampoo. But anyways, I went in with their rice water treatment, and I just gave my locks a good squeeze to get out any extra water that didn't need to be in there, just so I could allow the product to penetrate. As you can see, this is what the product looked like. It was a lot thinner than regular conditioner, and I thought it was going to have some type of smell since, it's the rice water. I thought it was going to smell like fermented. I don't know. But anyways, I worked the product into my locks, and again, I just squeezed it in. I did keep that product on for about 10 minutes, and I just went ahead and did my regular shower routine after I tied my hair up. And then once I took it down, I just rinsed it out. Again, I was trying to feel for anything that was like different, or if my hair felt softer or anything like that. I didn't really notice anything too substantial, but I will say that it did feel soft. So then I did follow up with their conditioner. I've used this conditioner before. It's their conditioner for damaged hair, and this is like the 3rd step to the treatment. And then I just rinsed that out after 10 minutes. And again, then I was like, okay, my hair feels a little bit softer. But here's my results from the next day after I took my retwist out, because I did retwist my locks after I got out the shower. But I found that my hair was actually very light and very shiny. So as you could see in the sun, like I have nothing extra in my hair. Yes, I did oil my scalp after I finished retwisting, but I didn't apply oil to my whole like lock shaft. So I would definitely say this helped with the sheen of my hair and somewhat gave me some suppleness. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'll see you lovelies later. And don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button.